How to delete everything on a laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on update and security, which is the last option below gaming. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on recovery on left side. In recovery, you'll find reset option on top. Click on get started, which is below reset this PC. After you click on get started, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on yes, and then to delete everything, click on remove everything, and again you'll find reset option. Click on reset and you're good to go. This is how to delete everything on a laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.